Have you ever found yourself in a heavy relationship or in a conflict with someone that left a painful echo in your heart? What if there were a way to free yourself from that weight? A gentle path toward peace without needing to change the other person. This is the profound beauty of Hooponopono. It is a sacred practice that reminds us of a powerful truth. When we face a problem with another person, the real issue is not out there with them. It exists within us. The disturbance we feel is the reflection of a memory, a program, replaying from deep within our subconscious, coloring our reality. The purpose of these beautiful prayers is not to ask for something outside ourselves, but to lovingly erase these inner programs. It is a profound purification of every mistake in our thoughts, our words, and our actions. And in doing so, we do not only heal ourselves, that healing ripples outward, touching everyone and everything connected to us. Let us begin with the first prayer, a gentle invocation to connect with the sacred source of all creation, the presence that dwells both around us and within us. How to practice the prayer. To begin this beautiful ritual of release, let us create for ourselves a quiet and sacred space. If you feel comfortable, you may take a small piece of paper. Think of it not just as paper, but as a vessel filled with love, ready to receive what has been weighing on your heart. Gently and without judgment, allow yourself to write down the situation or the feelings that brought you here. You may include the names of people involved, places or circumstances, anything that arises in your mind. See this not as reliving the pain, but as lovingly gathering the threads of memory so they can be fully and completely healed. When you have finished writing, gently turn your attention to all those connected with this story. Picture them in your mind. Your intention now expands, and the breath that gives life to all things. I am the silent, formless wind, the indivisible atom from which all existence is born. I am the oneness. I am one with the divine. After touching this profound truth of our unity, we turn to the 4 sacred simple phrases that begin the process of cleansing. We speak these words to our own inner being, to the divine light within, taking full responsibility for the memories replaying inside of us. When we say, "I am sorry," we are not blaming ourselves. We are lovingly acknowledging to the divine within that some program, some memory deep inside, has shaped the reality we are experiencing. We accept 100% responsibility for our inner world. When we say, "Please forgive me," we humbly ask for this inner program to be cleansed. It is a prayer for the soul itself to be released from the memory that created this discord. We say thank you with a heart overflowing in gratitude, trusting that healing is already taking place. It is the expression of faith that this energy is being transformed into pure light. And I love you fills us, our memories, and the divine with the highest frequency of all. It reconnects us to our truest essence, pure, unconditional love. Now, let us repeat this mantra together. Allow the words to wash over you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Having re-established this sacred connection and cleansed our energy through these 4 powerful phrases, we are now ready to go deeper. We are prepared to humbly invite the divine consciousness mantra. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Prayer 3. After releasing these ancient bonds and transforming energy into light, a deep sense of peace can now settle within us. We have cleared the inner space of our being, and now we are ready to receive and fully embody the sacred peace that is our true essence. A peace that surpasses all understanding of this world. Take a deep breath and allow this peace to pour into every part of you as we recite these words. My peace I give to you, the perfect peace of my being, the peace of oneness, for peace is who I am. Peace that was before all beginnings, peace that is here now, and peace that will remain forevermore. My peace I give to you. My peace abides with you. Not the peace of the world, but only my peace. The peace of oneness. And to complete this cycle of healing, let us return once more to the 4 loving phrases, sealing our intention with gratitude and acceptance. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. As we close this time of meditation, carry this deep sense of peace with you into every moment of life. Remember, these prayers are powerful tools you can always return to whenever you need to cleanse, to release, and to reconnect with the divine light within. Prayer 4. Imagine your inner world as a still, crystal clear lake at dawn. The waters once stirred the surface of your thoughts, and to anchor this profound state deep into your heart, we seal our practice once again with the 4 phrases of healing and love. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. As we gently close this sacred time together, know that this peace is now part of you. This practice is a key you can use whenever a memory or painful emotion arises. By returning to these prayers, you can cleanse the data, take full responsibility for your inner state, and come home again to the beautiful, ever-present peace of the divine oneness. Daily practice. As our time of prayer gently comes to a close, remember that this peace never leaves you. You are simply awakening again to its constant presence within. Carry this feeling with you into a new day, and know that you can always return to these sacred words whenever you need to cleanse, release, and reconnect with the love and peace that are your true nature. So, how do we nurture this peace and make cleansing a natural part of life? Morna, the guardian of this beautiful practice, suggested that we return to the 4 prayers 4 times a day to release something that weighs on our heart. Each time we spend energy on a person, a place, or even a thing, an invisible thread of connection is formed. Picture it as a gentle, unseen strand of energy. When we wish to release a pattern or a painful memory tied to one of these connections, we are in truth setting our own soul free. This practice is a sacred tool that allows us to lovingly dissolve the heavy data on these threads, bringing freedom to ourselves and everyone involved. So, whenever you feel disturbance, conflict, or pain rising in your relationship with another, and daily habits to keep your body active, your mind sharp, and your spirit light. We also share real-life stories from inspiring American seniors who prove that age is just a number. New videos are shared every week because the best years of your life are still ahead of you. If this speaks to you, I warmly invite you to subscribe and join our vibrant community of seniors across America, walking together on the path to vitality, freedom, and joy. You can find the channel by searching Senior Vitality Path. Thank you for sharing this sacred healing space with me today. May you walk in peace, in love, and in ever-growing vitality.